Are you interested in a proven way to get residual income? If so, come join GDI Team Elite. The goal of our goal is to help you become a team leader by helping you get 6 paid members to your team. You will get free use of our collective advertising system, free training and support 100% of the way, a business plan that is simple yet powerful, your own domain name, hosting, up to 10 email accounts, online website builder, your own hosted WordPress blog. You will also get all the benefits that membership of Team Elite offers. Free use of our collective advertising system. We will advertise with you until you have your first 6 referrals, and then we all do the same for them. Full use and training on our strategy to build members a 6-figure income. What makes Team Elite different to all the other team builds out there? Team Elite operates a bit differently than most other teams. Usually, in a team build, every member promotes the team rotator, and the person whose turn it receives the next sign-up. You might have to wait for up to a year for your turn to come around. At Team Elite, we work in small organized groups of 6 to 10 people. Would you rather wait amongst 6 or 10 others to receive your referrals, or in a rotator with hundreds if not thousands of other members? Team Elite is not suitable if you would rather not do anything and let others do all the work. Have a desire to get rich in the next 30 days, best chance equals lottery. Are not prepared to listen to advice from someone who is where you want to be. Team Elite is very suitable if you are prepared to do your part in order to build your income. Have a desire to get rich slow, build a business that will grow forever that you can even pass on to your children. Are prepared to listen to advice on the best steps to build your business. If so, join our team today.